you've got orders to ship on Whatnot. Sweet! And if you need to adjust the weight and dimensions of your shipments, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When you're shipping out an order, if it's larger and heavier than expected, you can adjust the weight and dimensions of your shipment easily within Seller Hub. Start by locating the shipment you want to adjust and click the pencil icon on the right. Adjust the weight and dimensions to match your real-world package. Keep in mind that adjusting the weight and dimensions of your shipments can affect your shipping costs, and these costs can be different depending on what country you're based in. In most cases, you'll get at least 5 free adjustments per week. Check out our Help Center to see more details. Click Save and Create Label to generate the shipping label with the updated specs. For your future product listings, it's a good idea to weigh your items carefully and select accurate shipping profiles. This helps you avoid frequent adjustments and the hassle of covering extra shipping costs. For more details on shipping adjustments and other shipping-related topics, check out our Seller Summit video. It walks you through all things shipping, and you can find it in our Seller Academy. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to see you soon on Whatnot.